Hi, I'm Alexander. It's that time again. It's the colour of the month, which is just brilliant because I love it. I love choosing new colours and I love it for a lot of different reasons. So what is my colour this month? It is Glazed Auburn-R. Okay, let's go backwards. Let's start with the R. Well, the R is a root. So it means we've got a rooted colour which keeps things really quite natural, keeps things, feeling kind of like it's grown out of here. You've got that natural root with a lot of highlights, lowlights, and undertones. So what are the highlights, what are the lowlights, and what are the undertones? Well, the highlights are, if you can see, let me take it off, are these kind of golden, brighter, almost like a copper blonde. And then underneath, we've got these kind of auburn blondes, warmer tones. So predominantly, we've got an auburn chocolate base with low lights and highlights. Now, if you are somebody that's going through treatments necessarily or having any kind of medical work done and you want to put some warmth in your skin, this would be a great choice without having to remove from being brunette. Or if you just want something different, you might have been a blonde for many years, you want to try going brunette but with a few highlights, what a great choice. Absolutely love this colour. This is definitely my colour of the month and I think you can see why. This is Glazed Auburn-R.